Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. So let's start the video. It's 15th of November. That was the day when my little niece opened packets of spinach and carrot seeds, and she is to grow them on her own. These are the seeds, and yes, she is going to show the whole process. She is going to keep track of the growth of the plants, and we are here to enjoy the journey. So keep watching. Here her pots are all ready, and she is sowing the seeds of spinach and then of carrot. I don't know how growing carrots went into her head. Anyway, I think she is experimenting. So let's watch. Once in a while, all children should engage themselves in gardening, be it flowering plants, vegetable plants, or whatever. I feel when a person or when a child is into gardening, the stress level decreases, because once we start off with gardening, we forget everything that is around us. Actually, this happens with me, and I believe this must be happening with everyone, whoever is into gardening. So it is a stress buster, and we should always encourage the younger generation to get involved in a little bit of gardening. Although space has become limited, but we still have the balconies which can be utilized in its own way. So she is still sowing the seeds into the freshly bought garden soil and the flower pots. Sowing the seeds with a lot of care. Let's see how the seeds germinate. She is sowing the spinach and the carrot seeds. Sowing is complete. Now she is watering the plants with gentle hands, drop by drop. So here the watering is being done. Oh, she has used quite a lot of pots. So the watering is still continuing. This is also an enjoyable process, watering the plants, watering the flower pots where the seeds have been sowed. And the wait is finally over. The seeds have germinated. After 5 days, the seeds have started to germinate. This is, I guess, the carrot seeds. The other one is the spinach. Still very less activity in this flower pot. Oh yeah, I can see tiny baby plants. That must be the carrot. Now here is a capsicum plant which already has two capsicums growing there. It's so very exciting to watch a plant bear fruits or flowers. This is the size of the capsicum. It is going to grow bigger. There I can see one flower there in the capsicum plant. Bougainvillea in the background, beautiful color. So there they are, tiny baby plants which are hardly visible. You have to strain your eyes to see them. Those are the carrot plants, and this is the spinach after 10 days of sowing the seeds. She has worked hard. She is keeping a track of the number of days that the plant is taking while it's growing up. So that's the spinach, and beside it is the carrot seeds. I think the carrot seeds have a thicker seed coat, that's why it takes more time than the spinach to germinate as well. Carrot baby plants are quite visible to the naked eye. Here we go. Look at the bougainvillea. This is again the spinach. That's the carrot. Baby carrot plants. Teeny tiny. Now after 16 days, this is the growth of her spinach plants. Good going. This is the size of the spinach plants after 16 days of sowing the seeds, and this is the size of the carrot baby plants. Now there is another tiny capsicum growing. I can see the marigold in the background, beautiful color, and the size of the flower is also very good. This is after 25 days of sowing the seeds. This is the size of the spinach that is growing. They are tilting towards one end in search of sunlight, so she is moving the pot around so that the plants straighten up gradually. So this is the size of the spinach plant. Doing quite good. And finally, the carrot plants have developed another leaf, the mature leaf, and it looks more like a carrot plant now. The spinach baby plants look quite big, and this is the carrot baby plants with a new set of leaves which look very cute. Here I can see one bitter gourd plant with its tendrils here and there. That's the carrot plant. Look at its leaves. The matured leaves are different from the baby leaves, and it looks very, very cute. The size of the leaves, the what should I say? I don't know, it's not coming into my mind, but yes, it is very beautiful. Now, this is the spinach which has grown quite big, and my niece must be enjoying the journey of the spinach and the carrot plants. Now that's the bitter gourd plant again. This too is growing in size. There is the carrot with its beautiful leaf, frizzy leaf. The shape of the leaves are beautiful actually. That is what I liked about the carrot plants. Sometimes in the vegetable market we get carrots with the leaves and stem attached. I had seen it there. Now that's the bitter gourd again, and that's the flower which she is showing y'all proudly. There's a baby bitter gourd. There it is. It's so enjoyable to grow plants, be it flowering plants, decorative plants, indoor plants, vegetable plants, anything. Now, this is the size of the capsicum that has been growing in her balcony all these days. Wow, beautiful marigold. Now, that's the mint or the pudina, which has which is used in cooking, making chutney, and also it is a medicinal plant, and you cannot think of biryani without the mint leaves. So this is a batch of spinach. The leaves have been the pointed ends of the leaves have been eaten by the sparrows. They are taking their share. And finally, it's the harvest day. After 30 days, this is what my niece was waiting for. Look at her. With gentle hands, she's pulling out the big spinach plants. See, this is it. This is what a person waits for while growing vegetables. The day of harvesting is an enjoyable one. So, this is the journey of the spinach right from the packet to harvesting. All done by my little niece, my Bubbles. Oh, she'll get angry if I call her Bubbles. Anyway, so wow, look at that. I think today she is going to get a handful. All work is being done gently, and she is enjoying the process of harvesting the spinach, baby spinach. This can be just blanched, and it can be taken as salad also, I think. Actually, her mother is a great cook. I think she already has plans how she is going to utilize this organic, freshly grown spinach right from her balcony garden, which her daughter has grown with a lot of love and care. So the harvesting is still on. Look at her how she's handling the plants as if it is going to break. This is how a person gets attached to the plants once they get involved in gardening. The attachment is developed. You start thinking that the plant is also going to get hurt, all that sort. I don't know what I'm saying, but I think you all get my point. So this is very important, and this habit is developed, or it is formed within us once we start gardening, once we start tending to the plants, watering the plants. So here it is, and the bonus is you can harvest organic plants right from your balcony and or garden if you are lucky enough. Wow, look at that. It's quite a lot. It's being rinsed now by her mom. So thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting video. So till we meet again, be safe, be happy, and it's bye bye for today.